On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. You don't need to have any skills. All that you need to do is that you have to follow all the steps in this video so that you can start making money from home as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, you can join Max Bounty or Warrior Plus. Any of the affiliate networks that you want, you can join and then follow these same steps so that you can be making money from home. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be using Digistore24. So once you create your Digistore24 accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are products that you can promote to earn money from home. The first one, you are going to be earning $128.84 per every sale that you get. The next one, you are going to be earning $155.14 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see the next one, you are going to be earning $43.97 per every sale that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $149.90 per every sale that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $45.59 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different products that you can promote on Digistore24. After scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a specific category of products that you want. If you want to promote physical products, you can do that. If you want to promote digital products, you can do that. Physical data medium, you can do that. Any kind of products that you want, you can find one to promote on Digistore24. For example, if you want to promote a digital product, all that you need to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see they have them in subcategories. They have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, and many others. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. Under each of them, they have a lot of different available products that you can promote. As you can see, under the business and investment, they have about 75 available products that you can select and then promote to make money from home. There are many other products. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want to promote the digital products, what you have to do is that you have to go to any of the categories that you want. You can see they have events and seminars, physical data medium, services, physical products, any kind of product that you want. Just click on the category. Once you click on it, you are going to see the subcategories and the number of available products here that you can promote. Under supplements, they have about 107 products that you can promote. So there are many of them. Services, they have about 5 products that you can promote. You can see 3 under fashion and 2 under marketing services. So any kind of product that you want, you can click and then promote. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to filter the products. You want to filter them based on the number of sales that they get when people click on the link. So you want to filter by cart conversion. To filter the products, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see they are already filtered by popularity, meaning all these products that you are seeing on your screen are popular. But we don't want popular products. We want products that have high cart conversion rate. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can sort by that. You can see they have earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion. Select cart conversion. Once you sort by cart conversion, you can see the first product is Billionaire Brainwave. It has a commission rate of $45.59 per every sale that you get. As a school, you can see the next one, $24.65 per every sale that you get. As a school, you can see many products that you can promote. The first product has a cart conversion of 38%, meaning if you promote it to people, once they click on your link, 38% of those people are going to purchase the product. So if you promote to 500 people, you are going to be getting 38% of the 500 people buying the product so that you can make money. So you can promote a product like this. If you don't want this, you can scroll down and promote any of them that you want. There is no restriction. Just find the product that you like and then promote it. If you promote it using the right method, you can make money. So just select the one that you want and then begin to promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the product that has a high cart conversion rate. So I'm going to be promoting the first one. To promote the product, you can look at the landing page so that you can get some basic information about it. You can also get resources to promote the product. So if you want the resources, you are going to click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. If you click on the sales page, you get to know some basic information about the product before you begin to promote it. In this case, I'm going to click on the sales page so that we can look at the basic information about the product. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this 7-second brainwave ritual attracts money to you. So it is about how to train your brain to attract wealth. You can see a lot of different information about the product. You can see the infographics of the product. As a scroll, you can see there are many other information about the product that you can read. You can see this is the initial price of the product. So when your potential visitors click on it, they are going to buy the first product at $39, and they have a lot of different upsells and downsells product that they can sell to the customer, so that you can be earning $45.49 per every sale that you get. If you want to get more information about it, just click on play so that you can watch the entire video and then get to know more about the product. But in this case, I have done that ahead of time, so I'm not going to click on the video. But in your case, just click on it and then watch the video. Once you watch it, you get to know some information about the product so that you can be promoting it. Once you promote it, you will be able to tell your potential customers what the product is about so that you can get them to buy the product. Now, once you have gotten some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get our affiliate link. So to get our affiliate link, click right here, promote now, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see copy promo link. Your promo link has been copied to your clipboard. Once you copy your promo link, the next step is that you have to find a very good traffic source whereby you can get people to purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission of $45.59 per every sale that you get. You can use free traffic source if you can afford the paid method. That is the viable method that you can use to get many people to buy the product. If you don't have money, you can use the free traffic source. The free traffic source will give you results, but you need a lot of effort so that you can get the people to buy the product. In this case, I'm going to be using the free traffic source so that everyone can make money. Once you make the money, you can then use the paid traffic source so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. The free traffic source that we are going to be using today is findermaster.com. On this website, you can post your ad for free. You can promote any product that you want for free, and they have a lot of different tier 1 countries that you can select. You can see right here United States, Canada, Australia, you can see New Zealand, you can see they have United Kingdom. These countries are tier 1 countries, so if you promote the product to those countries, you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. As a scroll, you can see these are some states in the United States that you can post your ad. You can see cities in the United States that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. As a scroll, you can see many of them. In Australia, you can see the number of cities that you can post your ad for free. You can see a whole lot of them. If I scroll down other countries, you will see the cities that you can post your ad for free. You can see in Canada, these are the cities that you can post your ad for free, and many others. As I scroll, you can see United Kingdom, the cities. You can see a whole lot of them. In India, you can see the number of cities that you can post your ad. So this is one of the best free traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can get people to purchase it for you to earn the commission on Digistore24. To create an ad, what you have to do is that you have to first of all create an account. Once you create your account, you can begin to post your ad. To create an account, just click on my accounts. Once you click on it, you are going to follow the prompts so that you can create a free account. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see it like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad. Once that is done, you can see post an ad. Scroll down to the button and then select the ad type. In this case, we are going to select individual. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. You can see it right here. Once you click on continue, you're going to see it like this. Scroll down to the button so that you can enter your ad details. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see start by choosing the categories. So you have to select the right category of the product. Just select any of them because this product is about brain ritual and there is no category that is related to that. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, we are going to select online classes because it is a training. It is going to help people to train their brain so that they can attract wealth. So click on online classes. Once you select the category, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listening title and description. You have to enter the title of the product that you are promoting and then the description. You can see the title, you have to enter it here, and a description. Just write any catchy title and a good description so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link. In this case, I have my title and a description, so I'm going to copy and paste both of them here. As you can see right here, this is my title and a description. The next step is that you have to type a call to action here and then paste your affiliate link. You can type a call to action like copy and paste this link to learn more, something like this. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. To get your affiliate link, you are going to come back on Digistore24 and then click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, it has been copied. The next step is that you are going to search for catily.com. Just search for catily.com. Once you search for it, click on their website. Once that is done, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to shorten your link so that it can look nice. So paste your link here. Just paste it. Once you paste it, click on shorten. Once that is done, you can see the link has been shortened. Click on copy. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. You have to enter your address, but it is optional. You can see it is optional, so just skip it and then click on continue. Once that is done, you can see listing price. You have to enter the price of the product. You can see you have to select the currency and then the price. As you can see on Digistore24, this is the price of the product. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see contact info. Scroll down to the button so that you can enter the details. Once you scroll down, you're going to enter your name right here. Just enter your name. Once that is done, you're going to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you're going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see company name. If you have a company name, you can enter that, but it is optional, so just scroll down to the button and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see select your ad region. This is the most important aspect, because if you select the wrong place, you are not going to be getting sales. So you have to select the right country so that you can get people to buy the product. In this case, you are going to target tier 1 countries. So just click on it and then select any of the tier 1 countries that you want. You can see a lot of them. Just scroll down and then select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select United Kingdom. So click on United Kingdom. Once that is done, you can select a region in United Kingdom. Once you select the region, you can select a city. But in this case, we are not going to select a region. We are going to target all over United Kingdom. So just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see publish a listing. You have to enter the images of the product. You can see add images. So you have to search for the images of the product and then upload them right here. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you're on Google, search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you are going to download any of these images that you want. You can see this is an image of the product. This is also an image, and another one here and the rest. So just download any of them that you want. To download the image, you are going to right click on the image, select save image so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to click on upload. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. You can see this is the image. You can enter your phone number right here if you want, but in this case, I'm not going to enter a phone number. Once that is done, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, select motorbike. So this is the motorbike, and then verify. As you can see, that has been done. Click on continue. Once you click on it, you can publish a listing. You have to now publish your ad onto the platform. You can see this is the category. You can see the category. You can see this is the title. Once you have your title, you can see the description. This is your link. So just scroll down and then check the details. You can see all the details that we have entered is in. So you can go ahead and then publish your ad. So click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, you are going to select the bicycle. Select bicycle, click on verify. As you can see, that has been done. Once you verify, you're going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see complete this step by pressing the submit button here. So you are going to click on submit so that you can submit your ad. So click on it, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. So they are going to review your ad. If it meets the ad guidelines, they are going to publish it onto the platform so that you can be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. There are many other free platforms that you can post your ad. I've showed you a lot of them in this channel, so make sure you go and post a lot of different ads onto different platforms so that you can be making money. you can select a different product, come back again, post your ad onto this same platform so that you can be getting traffic for free. Just select as many products that you want and then post them to different classified websites. Once you post them, you can be getting clicks for free. Once you get the clicks, most of them are going to purchase the products for you to make money on Digistore24. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.